Now, in this page, model and draw. The shapes on the left side shows equal parts or equal shares. And those on the right side shows unequal parts or unequal shares. Now we said before that equal parts means of the same size. Unequal parts when we have parts that are not equal in size. So let's check now the left side. Let's check this one. How many equal parts does the top square have? I'm so sorry. How many equal parts does the top square have? Amazing, excellent. 2 equal parts. 1, 2. Can a shape have more than 2 equal parts? Yes, a shape can have more than 2 equal parts. Let's look to the bottom square. It shows 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. So you don't have to split any part into 2 equal parts. This is not the only option. The most important thing when you need equal parts is not to split it into 2. You have many options. The most important part is to split it into equal size shapes or equal parts, like here, like in this one. We saw how the bottom square is divided into 4 equal parts. I'm so sorry. I'm coughing because I'm sick. So, how are equal parts different from unequal parts? We said equal parts are the same size, like the one we explained here. Unequal parts show different sizes. So let's check this square. And I will color this part so you can easily see are they equal or not. So this is the first one. This is the second one. Okay. Do you think those are equal or unequal parts? Yes, excellent. Of course, unequal parts. We have this part, big part, and this is small part. So they are not equal. They are not of the same size. Now, let's move to the next square, this one. Actually, it reminds me by my kite when I was a child. It is divided in equal parts or unequal parts. This is so clear. For example, let's see this part here. This tiny small part and this part. They are not even of the same shape. And this one is too big. And this one is so small, tiny little one. The same for this one. This one is so small. And here this one is so big. So here we have different sizes, which means unequal parts or unequal shares. Now let's start share and show. Now circle the shape that shows what? Underline this word. Each time you read a question in math, you should know that there are some keywords. The words that you should focus on. So here shows equal parts. They are the parts of the same size. Now let's see and circle together. In the first question, question number 1. Which one is of equal parts? Which shape shows equal parts? This one or this one? Amazing, excellent. Of course, this one. Now, let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Which square shows equal parts? Is it the upper one, the lower one, or the bottom square? Good job, boys and girls. Of course, the upper one. We have here how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make it in a darker. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have here 4 equal parts. This is so important because this shows how a shape can have more than 2 equal parts. So the idea is about dividing the shape. How we are dividing it. We can create more than 2 equal parts. Here this square is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Now let's move to question number 3. Here, this one. We have a circle. How did we figure out that this is the circle? Of course, because the circle is curved. Now, which one shows equal parts? Excellent, boys and girls. The first circle, the upper one.